Learning Python in 2024. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. And if you're just joining us today, thank you for clicking on this video. So, welcome to the channel. We are focused on micro videos, one subject at a time. So this channel is coming up on 7 years old. The whole idea and the premise for why I created this channel was to fill in the little teeny tiny gaps that are out there in the world of online courses, even college courses where we start at 0 and then go, okay, your next problem is 20. So go learn 1 through 19 on your own and good luck. So we focus on all of the basic modules and libraries. This video actually right here is going to be our 1058th video. So I challenge you on trying to find a subject matter that is not contained in this channel, and drop a comment down below that you'd like to see it. We're actually in the middle of a machine learning sklearn library series. We're just at the beginning, so you're joining at a great time. But I am a data analyst at a very large company, self-taught programmer for, I believe this is going to be my 10th year. I've been becoming proficient at SQL and am now moving over into application development, rapid app development using Visual Basic. So I have a great deal of problem-solving abilities. That's actually one of the things that I've really tried to impress upon the community is learning languages is good. Being able to solve a problem and write an algorithm to repeat human behavior, what I have found is the most vital skill there is. So I really push for challenges of trying to problem solve, working on order of operations, error handling, all of understanding what the object is, how it functions, what methods it is able to do, functions that can then work on those objects, all of the basic skills, which I think are not focused on enough. Because if you can understand these basic skills of unpacking an object, you know exactly what to do. And the more you understand a problem, you understand what it is capable of doing and then how you need to solve it. So, make sure you're also jumping down in the description down below and jumping over to the Discord server. We have a very large, growing, and most important, supportive community. We have a great admin and a wonderful moderator. They are there all the time. Somebody is online if I'm not there. That is also the fastest way to get a question answered, because if you drop a comment, I'm the only one that sees it, whereas over on the Discord server, everybody sees it, and you may get some answers to your questions faster because there's more people online. So, real quick video today. I am in the process of increasing the quantity of videos, because I have been just doing one a week, and that's not going to get much done if we're going to learn a machine learning library. And full disclosure, I'm learning this along with you, because these are skills that I would like to transition into myself. And I actually use this YouTube channel as a accountability tool to ensure that things are being learned, things are being created, things are being shared. You might wonder how I have 1,000 videos. Well, early on, I realized that I needed to commit to this and commit to my learning. I went 1 year and I made 365 videos. I made a video a day for an entire year, and that was challenging, but I would also say that really pushed me over the hump and had me learn a great deal about programming. And I use this channel as a tool not only to share, but to reinforce my skills, because I learned a long time ago that when I began to teach my skills also improved. So there's a wide variety of reasons why I have this channel. So, and actually, full disclosure also, this channel got my foot in the door of the position I currently have. So I'm very respectful of this platform, of this community, of this entire process, because I wouldn't be where I am today if this channel didn't exist. So that's a little bit about me. I hope you stick around. I hope you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you don't miss any of these videos. And please, 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 if you have a question, please ask it. Somebody else has that question. So you're not only helping you, you're helping the community, and you're helping someone else get that answer that they're looking for. And I'd also challenge you, if you even know the answer, but there's a subtle nuance that you don't understand, like you know what that 2 + 2 is equal to 4, but you really kind of would like to know, well, what is the subtle differences of why this is performing the way that it is? Those are even better questions, because you're going down a layer and you're becoming more vast in your knowledge and your understanding. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.